Hello, kids. This is teacher Yumi, and today we will learn another set of spelling words for grade 5. So let us read together. Exchange, exchange, relieve, relieve, knowing, knowing, ultimate, ultimate, survivor, survivor, contradict, contradict, statement, statement, hunger, hunger, thought, thought, brightness, brightness, remember, remember, knife, knife, survive, survive, breathe, breathe, survivor, survivor, floating, floating, enough, enough, remove, remove, finish, finish, glare, glare, curse, curse, exact, exact, weapon, weapon, himself, himself. Okay, let's read it again together. Exchange, relieve, knowing, ultimate, survivor, contradict, statement, hunger, thought, brightness, remember, knife, survive, breathe, survivor, floating, enough, remove, finish, glare, curse, exact, weapon, himself. Okay, your turn to read now. Now let's spell it. Exchange. 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 Relieved. 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 Knowing. Gnawing. Knowing. Ultimate. 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 Survivor. 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 Contradict. 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 Statement. 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 Hunger. 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 Thought. 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 Brightness. 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 Remember. 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 Knife. 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 Survive. 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 Breathe. Breath, breathe. Survivor, survivor, survivor. Floating, floating. Floating, floating. Enough, enough. Remove, remove. Finish, finish. Glare, glare. Curse, curse. Exact, exact. Weapon, weapon. Himself, himself. Okay, your turn to read now. Great job, well done. Once again, this is teacher Yumi. I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. Thank you and God bless. Bye.